Bogiranga kitubate michande mengi.
No, IBC.
Oh, IBC. All right. IBC, I think, as to Ekire, the horse has bolted. Tiga toga enda busi. Yeah, tiga toga enda busi because you know ndo ikaransa sa molioka ntobuga ti IBC chi program inchire chwenda gokoru in preparation ya chikura cha 2027. So jina wana got we are good to go. Kwende commission jabe gazetted tiga commission chake gas chake voter registration and in the prepare for 2027 elections. Ndubuga tinga ki tuwate actually me akebe tigara
abantu bane bari bwatakerengerenga ngora ano analysis chako kuruma America baska bari gochoru unabona muswati okuri kwa under the two register of political parties bado bere commissioner conflict of interest injalda kanaga to assume to ngana mutu wase to sort ya because aiga no to gocha kire preparation echikura issues inchiro lakini bono and I want to believe as a michando ya chakire to embra ya chakire to ututuera baba yarenge in the opposition. So akarawa gutwara the NADC report baba gari saidie serikali gere saidie but one baba aka move kuru opposition oni gari quasi government lakini hatari government so gari government lakini hatari government so wano ega kuru opposition lakini hatari opposition wano muna opposition na anche tenga ki it is okay but there are issues genuine issues that have been raised tigatigere court yeah tigatigere court iligeria mangana iyo abe raised but generally as a country we need to move forward as a constitute IBC because jiga kichetu cha minyokera mano na ndingo nyorutora a finance bill very discussed public participation in around chicken but the budget is on Thursday. Yes, how should it look like because considering the events chicken
aso kulige na idigere finance bill tinda arora was new taxes in Chile